Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber B if you're new, and today, as you can tell by the title of the video, I am going to be organizing my backstock closet. As you can see, it's a hot mess. So this closet is actually in my half bath, kind of guest bathroom. So it's the bathroom downstairs that all the guests use, and I am actually really thankful for this space because it is really nice to store all of my backup cleaning supplies and any decor, candles. As you can see, like anything you can think of is in here. So I want to have some type of organization to this closet. I will say some of these pieces, like the decor pieces, will eventually move out of here, and I'm going to have a better system for them. But for now, I'm going to keep them in here and just make it look a little bit more presentable. So let's just get right into the video. So of course, the first step is pulling everything out. So let's just get right into it. All right, so now that everything is empty, it is looking good and clean, I am going to actually wipe down all the wire and then mop and, well, sweep and mop in here, because I do want it to be like a fresh, clean start. And I definitely highly recommend you do that with any space that you're organizing. Make sure you're wiping it down and just giving it a nice, clean start, okay? When you're putting nice products in there, you're reorganizing, you're rearranging things, like, it deserves a little cleanup, because let's be honest, spaces like this, don't really get cleaned a lot. So I'm gonna wipe all the wires now, which they're not dirty or anything, but I just still want a nice little fresh wipe down, and then definitely need to sweep the floors and mop them. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I hate wire shelving, with a passion. Eventually this is gonna be like a renovation project. This is very low on the list though, because there are other things in the house that are going to get renovated, which I'm so excited to show you guys. But these wire shelves are a pain to clean, and things can just drop through them. It's just not cute. It's just not the vibe. So I think I want to clean the baseboards too, because they are getting a little yucky, and so I'm gonna clean those really fast. Make sure, yeah, this door sill is cleaned a little bit. I'm just kind of being a little OCD while I'm already in here, because I know it's gonna be a long time before I come back in here like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean just everything, and then wipe down the floors, or sweep the floors and then mop. So let's just finish this off. For the products for this organization project, I wanted to keep it really simple, because it is just like a backstock kind of closet, but it's still gonna be aesthetic, because you gotta have the look and the feels. So this is the bin that I got for some of the products, and again, I don't want some of them to be showing, only because they are backstock items. So all I need to do is kind of pull it out, see what I have. They will be labeled, of course, so I'll show you guys that process as well. I do have some clear bins for the products that I do want to kind of easily be able to kind of see. So I do have a mixture of both. So this is really honestly what I'm going to include in here. This is it. I'm not doing anything else crazy. This all came from Homegoods, so definitely check out your local Homegoods for all of your organization needs. So here is the product placement. Again, nothing too crazy. I really just love how simple it is, because again, this is gonna be just backstock that lives here. And then of course, I may just kind of have some things on the side that may not fit in the bins or just may not make sense. I typically do like to have a lot of things in bins, because it's just so nice to kind of be able to pull things out when you need them. So if I do find any more bins, I'll definitely get some, but I do want to leave some spaces, because I do have extra loose decor items and just other stuff like paper towels and things that are gonna go up here. So Anyway, I'm loving how it looks. So now I am going to go ahead and just kind of put things away. And then that way it can actually let me know what I need to buy, because there are some things I noticed when I was pulling things out that I was like, yeah, it's time for me to like re-up on paper towels, for instance. I have no paper towels left. Just different things like bleach or so forth. I really just like to keep a lot of items just in stock. That way I'm not always constantly having to go to the store. I do have like cleaning supplies upstairs as well as under the sink in my kitchen. Not too many, because I do have this closet downstairs as well. So I just like to kind of keep my house fully stocked, because you never know. And I mean, you're gonna use the cleaning supplies anyway, so you might as well just have the things on tap that you need. Okay guys, so this is already starting to look a lot better. As you can see, there are some gaps, so I'm missing a couple items. So what my thought process is that this is going to be more of like a miscellaneous basket for backstock. This will be like all the soaps and kind of hand sanitizers. So I have in here like little hand soaps that I will have in you know, different places in the bathrooms. And I love how they look, because they're really aesthetically pleasing and they smell amazing. So I got these from TJ Maxx, so definitely be on the lookout for these. And their glass too, which is really nice. And then of course, like a big thing of family size soap for under the sink. I love to keep that on tap. So this kind of will be like, again, all the soaps. And then all of my disinfectant wipes. I love to keep these on tap as well, so I definitely need to get more of those. This will be more kind of like all-purpose cleaner slash my quartz cleaner. So I have some surface cleaner. I do have bathroom cleaner in here from Homegoods, which I really do love. These cleaners are really good cleaners. And so I have those, and I definitely need to kind of re-up on some of these all-purpose cleaners, and I do want to try some new ones, so I'll definitely re-up on these. Definitely need some more glass cleaner. I use that a lot, so I'll probably get about 4 more, and then more bleach as well. And then I do want to get new cleaning rags, so because these are just not the best. I got those from Homegoods and they're just not doing the job, so I'll probably actually throw these away. And Walmart, believe it or not, has some really good ones, so I'm gonna go there. Then of course I have my candle bin. So as you can see, if you saw my TikTok, my Bath and Body Works TikTok, I've already like pretty much used most of my candles already. I am a lunatic, so anyway, eventually I'll restock on that, but right now it's good where it is. And then this will be kind of like my scent kind of box. So all of the different scents, whether it's kind of like plug-ins or just spray scents or diffuser oil, will live in this kind of container. And then up here, I will just store my tissue paper as well as paper towels too. So I don't have any paper towels and I do need more tissue paper, so I'm gonna do a little restock ASMR. So I'm gonna grab some of the items I need, and then I will be back to do like a little restock ASMR.
Stocking my backstock.
I mean, such a moment.